Hey there! Do you ever feel like your spending habits are holding you back from saving more money? Well, today I'm going to share 3 simple steps to break those bad spending habits and start saving with ease. First up, identify your spending triggers. This is crucial because you need to know what makes you spend impulsively. Is it emotional spending when you're stressed? Maybe you tend to overspend on weekends or after scrolling through social media. Take a moment and write down these triggers. Once you all know them, you can be more aware and stop yourself before it happens. Next, set a daily spending limit. This might sound simple, but setting a strict limit on what you can spend each day helps you become more conscious of your spending. For example, if you limit yourself to $20 a day for non-essential purchases, you'll quickly realize where your money is going. Plus, this makes budgeting feel more manageable. Lastly, replace bad spending habits with positive habits. Instead of reaching for your wallet every time you feel bored or stressed, try something that doesn't cost money. For example, go for a walk, call a friend, or practice a hobby. By replacing the urge to spend with a productive activity, you will start to break those bad habits and build healthier ones. Breaking bad spending habits isn't easy, but with these 3 steps, you can start taking control today. Let me know in the comments which step you'll try first. And if you're ready for more tips on how to master your money and personal growth, hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.